Hello, hello, happy Friday. I have a freebie for you today and I have a new kit. So I'm interrupting my 1970s journal time to bring this Halloween kit. I know lots of people like to start earlier than the season. I'm sneaking right in there at the end of August. It is a 13 days of Halloween tag kit using the Halloween palette kit from last year. So if you have that, it corresponds to the new tag kit. Yay! And I also have it bundled in my Etsy shop. So if you buy the palette kit and this, there's a discount. So that's pretty cool. I've done that with lots of coordinating things like the 1970s wallpaper. If you buy it with the sample, there's now a discount for the bundle. Kind of a new, well, I think it's been around a while in Etsy. I just figured out how to use it. Okay, so there's 13 tags plus extra goodies. So let's take a look. And this year I didn't put like day 1, day 2. You just kind of do. I am going to do later in October the 13 days of tags. Probably several in one video. So yeah, it's whatever floats your boat. Instead, you'll see that I named each of the files. So all right, so here's one of the tags. It's a layered tag. And isn't that cute? This vintage kiddo. Love the vintage Halloween. And I don't know what the theme is. I don't know. You'll have to let me know in the comments. So this one, since it was Transylvania, I kind of went with the vampire theme. And there's lots of witches, bats, and you'll see. All right, so this one has culinary visions, and then I had this gal with her kind of creepy smile with the skeleton and fun oranges and blacks. And then this one with the spider web, so I went with the spider theme, and there's a cool spider on this book. And then I went back to kind of the witches, elixir, and this vintage picture. That's a file folder. And then we have a coin envelope and the black cats. And then we have this one with the skeletons and the skulls. How do you pronounce it? The study of the brain, phonology or something. So I kind of went that theme. And then we have the fun illustrations. And then I went with the masquerade ball. And we have another witch one with the elixirs and poisons. This is a library pocket. And then we have Edgar and his ravens. And more witches. And another file folder. And then this is a window, so then the bats can kind of peek through the window. And then the moths. And then we have this one with the smaller tags that you can also add to your other tags, or you can make even more tags if you wanted more than 13. And then I have some backing pages. You can print these on the backs of the tags. You can rip them and use them for layers. I just thought the colors were really, really pretty in this, and I thought it coordinated nicely. And it's not AI. And then there's this one, same thing. You could even cut out the flowers and use them as embellishments. And then this one with the text and the grungy. All right, so there's the 13 tags plus. And then here is today's freebie, which is a coin pocket and this cute postcard and some other things. So I'm going to go cut this out so we can assemble it. I'll be right back. All right, I've cut out, inked, and scored my coin envelope. I backed the postcard with some file folder. I have a piece of lace and I cut out the other pieces. I'm going to ink my edges, my card. And then let's put the coin envelope together. I'll fold my flaps in. going to ink the inside, or you could use the backing sheet for the double side, you know, print it on both sides. That'd be fun. Right, line that up. And then this is going to go in here. That fits nicely. I'm thinking on the back, I'm going to put this as a belly band, and then I could add a picture or a note during the Halloween season about what we did, or, you know, if you're doing some journal keeping. Glue that on each side. Okay. It would have been nice if I did some stamping behind it. I don't have my Halloween stuff out just yet. And then I might put this, I think I'm going to treat this as my front. And I might stick this back here. There we go. And then where's my other, there it is. I'm going to put this back here also. Huh. And then on the front, we could use this to hold that down. And then I think I'm going to add my lace. Kind of like that behind it. And this, maybe I should have put this on the cards or on the file folder or printed on cardstock so it was a little bit stronger. Maybe if I go up a little bit more. Or do we just do this in the center and do something else for the closure? I think the closure is fine. Alright, I'm going to glue on my lace. I think I want the scallops to go down. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now I'll glue the bottom half of this. Yeah, and then I think I'll put, well, maybe, yeah. I need a little more glue up here. There we go. Give that just a second. And then what if I turn this off? And then maybe take a piece of this and then layer that up down here. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Yep, this would have been a little bit better if it was on something a little sturdier, but there we go. And then this flips up. And there's my cat. And then that's a tuck spot where I can put eventually a Halloween tag or a note. That slides back in. And there we go. I was going to decorate the Dollar Tree, oh, what's it called, box that I might use, but I don't have my Halloween stuff really out yet. I'm still in the midst of my 1970s journal, so I think I'm going to wait and do that at the beginning of the tag series, but I do want you to go and grab your freebie and either print it and get it ready for when you make the tags, or if you're ready to make them now. Yeah. All right. Let me know what you think of the kit and the freebie. And as always, have a wonderfully crafty day and weekend. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.